Good morning, my friends. Look at this darling dog. Oh my goodness. We are going to read today about this dog named Bear. I think that's his name anyway. And he saves lives. I don't know if you know about this, but there was a big wildfire down in Australia. Let me see if I can help you find Australia here. Australia is this country down here in red. And you live right up here, just about here where my arrow is. I don't know if you can see my arrow, but it is down. They call it the land down under because if we cut the world in half, we'd have an imaginary line called the equator, and it's down there. It's down on the bottom, okay? Under. And they were having this big, huge fire. Well, a lot of koalas live there, and a lot of the little koalas, um, they're very slow little moving creatures and they needed to be rescued. So this dog is a hero. And what I want you to do today is I want you to read this article and I want you to hear all about the furry hero. Okay? Make sure you look at all the text features, you read every little thing. There is one word I want to make sure you're aware of, and it's the word scorched. It's going to come up right away in the reading. And scorched means that they kind of got some fire. They, caught fire maybe a little bit, or maybe they got a little too close to the heat. And so they had some heat damage. Okay. I also want you to read the sugar shocker. Okay. Don't be drinking a bunch of fruit juice like that because it is not good for you. You don't want to get diabetes or cavities. Okay. Also, and I'm a kid inventor. How exciting. Today you have design. Maybe someday you'll be a kid inventor. Okay, so make sure you read the whole thing. Make sure you do the back. Okay, um, do your best. That's all we can ask, right? Do your best and enjoy. And after you've read the whole thing, then go and look at all the videos that they have to show. Okay? All right. So that's what you're going to do. And we're going to meet together with our crazy hats today at 10 a.m. for our Zoom. Okay. So you have plenty of time to read your Scholastic News. And if you get tired of reading Scholastic News, there's nothing wrong with hopping off of that and hopping onto Epic or hopping onto a regular book. Okay. All right, friends. See you at 10.